Tomorrow is March 1st, which means it's time for the Morrison County Food Shelf fundraiser. So, starting tomorrow morning, you may bring in your canned goods and your dry packaged foods and money. Because did you know for every dollar that's donated to the Morrison County Food Shelf, they're able to buy and provide 2 meals for a hungry person. So you may also bring in money. And then every morning, your teacher will tally up those canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money and bring it down to the foyer. And then every Friday, the class that has brought in the most canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money will get a sweet treat. And then at the end of March, those foods and money will be brought to the Morrison County Food Shelf by Mr. Edgerton, so that in Morrison County, nobody has to go hungry, but instead can have a full tummy. And make sure to drop down in the foyer and watch the food grow and grow and watch the tally of how many items and money we bring in. So that, again, in Morrison County, nobody has to go hungry, but instead can have a full tummy.